Helmsman trawlers are well built from the keel up. We are highlighting in a series of short videos some of the features and construction methods that distinguish these finely crafted boats. In this episode, we're looking at Helmsman Trawlers' swim platforms, their design, construction, and installation. All of our models feature a sturdy, separately attached swim platform. Some people ask, why not an integral swim platform with hull beneath? We subscribe to our naval architect's point of view when he asks, why design a longer hull that doesn't serve to increase living volume aboard, unless it is to correct a problem with the boat's balance or performance, not a problem with Helmsman trawlers. Let's closely examine the swim platform on a 38E, which is built with a strong fiberglass platform and mounted to the hull with stainless steel brackets featuring doubled angle supports. The boat arrives with its swim platform cradled in the cockpit to reduce overall shipping length and to protect the swim platform during transport. Here's a view of the underside of the platform showing how nicely built and finished it is, and giving a clear picture of the sturdy mounting brackets. The brackets attach with bolts to the transom, which are threaded into receivers built into the fiberglass transom itself. There are no penetrations that extend through the transom. Watching the installation process, which takes as little as 30 minutes, gives a good idea of how precisely and cleverly this is built. Yards are universally amazed at how well these platforms go on to Helmsman trawlers. They are accustomed to swim platform installations being all-day projects. There are only a few steps involved, beginning with removing the swim platform from the cockpit and removing the transom attachment bolts. A little thread sealant is added. The platform is properly positioned for installation. The platform is positioned against the hull. And the bolts are installed and tightened. The end result, a strong, lightweight swim platform.